Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is two balls, one of mass m, other of mass 2m are moving towards each other with respective speeds of 10 meter per second and 20 meter per second on a smooth horizontal floor. In the collision, they stick to each other and move as a combined mass perfectly elastic collision. Then the speed of combined mass will be. So student, here are two balls. One is moving towards east and other is moving towards west, so they have different side of velocity. So let v1 is 10 meter per second and v2 is 20 meter per second. It is given to us, and mass m1 is m2 is 2m, and combined mass is 3m, m plus 2m, and combined velocity is v. So let combined velocity is v. Okay, if side of or direction of velocity is taken, this is as positive, then this will be negative. So using conservation of momentum, p initial equal to p final. So here m into 10 minus m into 10 plus 20 into 2m, that is m plus 2m into v. So here minus 10m plus 40m equal to 3m into v, and this will be 30m. So 3m into v, cancel, 3 10 are 10. So v equal to 10 meter per second is the velocity of combined mass, which is found in option B. So option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.